In 2009, it was a tiny virus that made the biggest medical news.
H1N1.
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 We first heard about it in the spring when people in Mexico started getting sick.
Mexico City has suffered the greatest number of fatalities to the virus.
But soon the virus spread, creating a global pandemic. Schools shut down, hand sanitizer flew off store shelves, and even the president was offering advice.
Stay home if you're sick. Wash your hands frequently.
The U.S. death toll reached into the thousands, with the virus hitting pregnant women and children especially hard, leading to heartbreaking stories of loss.
Those big, beautiful eyes, the smile she always had.
This thing doesn't discriminate. It will go after anybody.
By fall, a vaccine was ready, but shortages created long lines across the country.
5 hours, it's worth it for me.
H1N1 was pushed from front-page health news in November when a story about breast cancer screening sparked a huge controversy. Going against current guidelines, a government task force said most women don't need regular mammograms in their 40s and recommended low-risk women wait until their 50s. The panel also advised doctors not to teach women to examine their own breasts, saying the self-checks led to unnecessary biopsies. The recommendations caused a backlash among breast cancer survivors who had their disease detected in their 40s.
It saved my life.
What does it say? In 2009, we found out autism may be more prevalent than first thought. The government now says 1 in every 110 American kids has the disorder. An old drug was back in the news. Researchers found colon cancer patients who regularly took aspirin reduced their risk of dying by 29%. One FDA panel recommended that a vaccine given to girls should also be given to boys to prevent the spread of HPV, the leading cause of cervical cancer.
The H1N1 virus.
But H1N1 overshadowed much of the year's medical news, and with several months left in the flu season, the virus will likely continue to make headlines in 2010. Dr. Jennifer Ashton, CBS News, New York.